Hey y'all, it's Julie the nursing tutor. Got some safe dose range pediatric problems for you. I know you're pumped. Come on, let's go. The provider orders phenobarbital 2.5 milligrams per kilogram PO per day. The child weighs 21.36 kilograms. The recommended safe dose range is 1.2 to 4.6 milligrams per kilogram per day. Calculate the safe dose range milligrams for this child. So all they're asking you to do in this question is just to calculate the safe dose range. So we take the kilograms, which they've so sweetly given us, times 1.2 and times 4.6. I'm going to write 21.36 kilograms, 21.36 kilograms, times 1.2 times 4.6. And then we're doing it. 21.36 times 1.2 equals. And it says round to the nearest hundredth. So you know that's two places after the decimal. So that's going to be 25.63 because the 2 ain't doing nothing. And then we're going to do 21.36 times 4.6 equals. And that will be 98.2. That 6 will make that 5 of 6. 6 milligrams. So this is the safe dose range. I went ahead and figured the ordered dose, but all the questions asking is, can you figure out the safe dose range? And I would let Ethel know, yes, we sure enough can. Okay, here we go. So the prescriber orders phenytoin dilantin 1.8 milligrams per kilogram PO. The child weighs 14 kilograms. The pharmacy sends the following medication label, and you got to calculate how many milligrams and the milliliters you're going to give, round the milligrams to the hundredths. So once again, they were sweet and gave us 14 kilograms. So we have to take 14 kilograms because he wants every single kilogram to get 1.18 milligrams, so we have to multiply it. 14 times 1.18 equals, and that's going to equal 16.52 milligrams. And you see it said round milligrams to the hundredths, and that's what I just did right here in front of you and everybody else. Okay, so this is our new dose ordered. So let's set up our formula. 16.52. Now we're following the directions that this Ethel put on these. Another Ethel somewhere on the planet may put round it to the tenths, and you have to follow directions. Yeah, you got to read them and you got to follow them. Okay. So what I have in my hand of dilantin is 30 milligrams per 5 mLs. So to go in this fraction, it's got to have the same last name times 5 mLs. And then we're doing the math. This divided by that times that. So get your handy dandy calculator. 16.52 divided by 30 equals. Don't even look because you're not done. And it'll throw some folks. So don't do it. That equals 2.75 milliliters, which would round up to 2.8 mLs that you would give. I should have rounded that up right there because you can give 2.8. So somewhere inside yourself, just be all right with it, okay? All right. Here we go. So the provider orders cephalexin 25 milligrams PO per day. The child weighs 16.36 kilograms. The recommended safe dose range is 1.5 to 3.8 milligrams per kilogram per day. Calculate the safe dose range and determine if the dose that he ordered, the 25 milligrams, is safe. Round milligrams to hundreds. So, thankfully, they gave us the kilograms. And you know we got to do the kilograms times the low number, kilograms times the high number. So, I'm setting it up simply because I can. And then 16.36 times 3.8. All right, so let's do it. Let's get our range. 36 times 1.5. That is 24.54 milligrams. And 16.36 times 3.8 equals, oh, goodness, 62.1. You see that 8 will make that 6 a 7. 7. So this is our range right here. Now, what did he order? He ordered 25 milligrams. Our range is per day, and the 25 milligrams is per day. And what our greatest hope would be that what he ordered, the number falls in between these two numbers. And it did. So, yeah, it's safe. And so we're going to go on ahead and give it. You see that? I believe you do see it. Okay, let's do another one. We got 5 of them. We're almost there. The provider orders Omnicef 6.5 milligrams per kilogram daily. The child weighs 57 pounds. The recommended safe dose range is 15 to 25 milligrams per kilogram per day. Calculate the safe dose range in milligrams. Round your milligrams to the hundredths. So, out the gate, you know the first step is to go to the weight. If it's not in kilograms, we're going to put it in kilograms. So, 57 divided by 2.2 equals. Divided by 2.2 equals 25.9. That 9 would make that 0 a 1. 0.91 kilograms. Now, then we have to take this 25.91 kilograms and do it times 15 and times 25. That's how I'm going to do that. Okay. 25.91 times 15 is 388.65. And then 25.91 times 25 is 64775 milligrams. Okay? This is our range. And then we have to, do they want us to calculate? I calculated it anyway. To find out what Mr. Maine wants, we got to take our 25.91 kilograms times his 6.5 milligrams per kilogram. And 25.91 times 6.5 equals. That's going to be 168. That 5 will make that 1 a 2. And what we need is for this number to fall between these two numbers. And it doesn't. So, no, it's not safe. Why is it not safe? Because it doesn't fall within the range that the manufacturer who has the recipe said it would be. So, no, you're not getting, I wouldn't give it, gummit. I'd hand it to Ethel and say, just, you know, have fun. All right, here's the next one. A licensed provider orders phenytoin 60 milligrams PO daily for a child weighing 18.2 kilograms. And you have phenytoin 30 milligram chewable tablets available. The recommended oral dose for a child is 5 to 7 milligrams per kilogram per day. What is the safe dose and therapeutic range for this child? Round to the whole number. So we're answering the question that they're asking, and they want us to do the safe dose range. So we have to take 18.2 kilograms and multiply it times 5 and times 7. So let's do that. 18.29 times 5, and it is 91.45. And she said round it to the nearest whole number. So that 5 will make that 4 or 5, and that'll make that a 2 milligrams. And then we have 18.2 times 7 equals 127.4, which would make it 127 milligrams. $18.2 times, I'm not turning this off. Okay, 18.2 times 5 equals a straight 91. That's why. My bad, y'all. And if that throws you, then, you know, it's cool. So the safe dose range is 91 to 127 milligrams. How often? Per day. What he ordered was 60 milligrams per day. And that does not fall in this range. And so, no, that is not a safe dose. I hope you enjoyed it. Look, y'all like, share, subscribe, comment. Share with everybody that you know, so that all the subscribers from TikTok can come over here to YouTube, and we can just continue having fun. I hope this helped. And I hope you have a wonderful evening.